Okay, so friend, I am Dr. Heena, and today in the Maths Olympiad for Grade 2, we have to learn the topic naming Applied Mathematics. Here you have to apply your knowledge. You have to use your logical thinking and how much you use your brain power that helps you to solve the problems based on these topics with the help of mathematics. Means some calculation we have to done, which are addition, subtraction, kind of multiplication, and we have to solve the problems. Okay, now we are moving ahead directly towards the practice exercise, or we can go through the solved examples because it is an important topic. So first solved example we'll going to see. Now see how many circles are there in the following figure. Now here one figure is given to you and you have to calculate the circle inside it. Okay, so just see or look at the figure and calculate the circles. Now see 1, 2, this 1, this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So total in all there are 20 circles. So this is a simple problem. You have to just calculate the circles in this. Now how many numbers are given in the following figure? Come in the table of 3. Now see, this is the table of 3, or there are some numbers which are there in the table of 3. And you have to calculate those number which came in the table of 3. So see 24, is it come in the table of 3? Yes, 3 8s are 24. So this is one number which comes in the table of 3. 32 will not come in the table of 3 because 3 10s are 30 and 3 11s are 33. So 32 will not come. 64 also will not come in the table of 3 because it's, if we add these digits in this number, if we add the digits and that number is divided by 3, then it will come in the table of 3. Okay, if we add 64's digits 6 and 4, we got 10. 10 will not come in the table of 3. So 64 is not that number which come in the table of 3. Again 56 will also not come because 5 and 6 become 11 and 11 cannot be there in the table of 3. 21, yes, 3 7 the 21, you all know the table of 3, so this smaller number you can identify. So 21 will come. So 1 and this 2. Now 62, is it 6 plus 2 8, so it should not be there. 1 2 12 and 1 plus 2 is 3 and 12 also there in the table of 3. You all know the table of 3 up to 3 tens are, so 12 is there. 78 is a bigger number, so add the digit. 8 plus 7 15. 15 can be divided by 3, so 78 will come in the table of 3. Now you just confirm, if the remainder is 0, then it will definitely come. 3 2s are 6, 1 will be the remainder and 8 will come down. 3 6s are 18, 26 3s are 78. So it is definitely there in the table of 3. 98, 9 plus 8 becomes 17. So 17 is not there in the table of 3. 5 plus 6 again 11. No, it is not there. 4 plus 2 6. Yes, it will be there. 14 3s are 42. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 numbers we got which are there in the table of 3. Okay. You just whatever, if the number is smaller than 30, you can identify whether it is there in the table. If it is bigger than 30 or 50, then you can add the digits in the number. If the addition is divided by 3, then the number whole is divided by 3. Now see, weight of the various items are given and what is the sum of the weights of all items is asked. So you just have to add the weights. First here, first individual container, you have to add wheat, rice, bajra, and then add all of them. Okay. Now the next one is, which one of the following option is correct to complete the series? 6, 20, 26 is there, means these two numbers are add, but we'll check the other things also and then we'll confirm on the pattern. 12 plus 30, is it 42? Yes. So this is the correct pattern. So you have to add these two numbers and you get the lower digit or lower number. Now here 42, in 42 which number to be added to get 114? So what is the solution? You have to subtract 42 from 114. So 4 minus 2, 2, 11 minus 4, 7. 72 is that number which should be added in the 42 to get the 114 answer. Now what number will come in the blank box? See, 89 is at the top and 98 is at the bottom. Okay, the position of the digit is reverse. 75 is here. I think 57 is the number which is there in the blank box. So you have to think like this. It is just a matter of thinking. Now you have to find the value of this rectangle, where when two rectangles are multiplied with each other we get 121. So if you know the squares of the number, or you can calculate. 15 multiplied by 15, is it 121? 14 multiplied by 14, is it 121? 10 multiplied by 10 is 100, you all know. 11 multiplied by 11 is 121, because 11 11s are 121. 11 square is 121. So the correct answer is D here. Now see the given figure below. How many triangles are needed to darken the figure completely? Now some portion of the figure is darkened and you have to darken the rest remaining triangle so that whole figure become black. Now see, how many such triangles are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So your answer is 8. Okay, I think you understood the concept. We'll directly move to the practice exercise. Now the very first problem of the practice exercise is given as, if ABC is equal to 1, 2, 3 and BCD is equal to 2, 3, 4, then what is GHI? Now if you look carefully, A, B, C, you all know the alphabets, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So if we write the position of the alphabets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So if you look the problem carefully, A is at number 1 position, B is at number 2 position, C is at number 3 position. So their positions number is given here. B, C, D, is it the same pattern is followed? So check it. 2, 3, 4, yes. Now G, H, I. G is at 7th position, H is at 8th position, I is at 9th position. So 7, 8, 9 will be your answer. So answer C is the correct answer. Understood? Now you have to just add the numbers given in the box. Now you can add all the 3 numbers together, or you can add two numbers and then add first add these 2 numbers. These 2 numbers you have to add first, and then in that addition you add this 3rd number, or you can directly add all 3 numbers together by writing 1 by down another. So add them. 2 plus 8, 8 plus 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 1 will be carry forwarded. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. And 2, 7. So 75 is the addition. Now here, fill in the blank space with suitable number. Now see, some pattern is there which is followed in the figure. Now see, you just look and then think over the pattern. Now how we have to think? So think like he is the number given in the pattern. Are they came in any numbers table? If your answer is yes, then find out which table it is. If no, then think of another way. Now 13 and 16. How much is the gap in between these two numbers? Three numbers we have to add in 13, so we get 16. Now here the number is missing. Now 22 and 25, again we have to add three numbers in 25, we get 25. 22 we get 25. If we add 3 in 25, we get 28. So the pattern is plus 3 is added everywhere. So you have to add plus 3 in 16, so you get the desired number. So 19 is the answer which is there in the blank space. Now there are three sticks A, B, P, Q and XY. Length of XY is equal to the sum of the length of the stick AB and PQ. Now you had given AB and PQ's length. You just have to add both the length to get the length of XY. And so this is the homework question because it is very easy. Okay. You just have to add those two lengths and you will get the answer. I think till now you had got the answer also. Now see, represent the total number of carrots in the given figure in the form of multiplication. Now see how many carrots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means here 3, here 3, here 3. Now total number of carrots are 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 means 9. Now which multiplication gives you answer as a 9? You have to find them. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 and 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. So all the above is not the correct answer. The correct answer is option A. 3 multiplied by 3. Now see, pick the number from the circle whose sum is 15. Now there are some numbers in the circle as 5, 8, 0, 2, 3 and 6. We have to pick up some numbers and whose sum should be 15. So 6, 3, 2. 6, 3 and 2. These three numbers are there in the circle. Now add them. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So the sum is not 15. So this is not the answer. 8 plus 2, 10. And 10 plus 5, 15. So 15 is the sum. So it may be the answer, but we have to check other options also. All the above will not come because A is not answer. None of the above is also will not come because A is not B is the answer. So your answer is confirm B, but still you can check for the C also. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. So C is also not an answer. So B is your answer. Now birth of the Indian cricket player is given and who is the oldest among them is asked. Now who is the oldest? जो सबसे पहले born हुआ. Now see, all the people, you just first check the birth year. 88, 88, 92, 88. So 92 is younger one. Okay. So he will not come. KL Rahul will not come as a answer. Now these three are born in the same year. But now we'll check the month. This 11th month is the November. 4th month is the April and 6th month is the June. June. So which month come first? नहीं, ये तो हमको दिखना नहीं है. This is 12, this is 11 and this is 6. So November, December and June, which month come first? June come first. So Rahane is the oldest among them. So Rahane is your answer. Now how much water is needed to fill the cylinder completely? Now cylinder's capacity is of 1000 ml. Okay, and it is how much filled? It is filled up to 200 ml. So how much water needed to fill it completely? What we have to do here? We have to subtract this 200 which is filled from the total capacity. Okay, so you get the answer. So this is for homework. Simple subtraction is there. Now find the number represented by the following figure. Now beads are there inside it. Now see, this is 100 place. So how many beads are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 should be there at 100 place. So maybe these two are the answer. Now how many beads are at the tens position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. So your answer is answer A. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now the next one. Black patch on a football is of a either quadrilateral or hexagon or pentagon or all the above. Now check. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides it has. So the figure, closed figure which has 5 sides is known as pentagon. So the correct answer is pentagon. Now the same question as 11 multiplied by 11, 20, 121 was the answer. This is the question like that only. You have to find the value of the box and you get the answer as a 144. So you can do this also at the homework. Simple question is there. 11 multiplied by 11 will not come as the answer because we all know 11 multiplied by 11 is 121. 9 nines are also we know and 12 12s are you can find. Okay, now the next one. You have to calculate the triangles in the given figure. So this one is also for your homework because you all should generate the habit of calculating the triangles or the hidden figures inside the big figure. Okay, now this is the question. Add the money. Now see, first note is of 2000 rupees, second is of 100 rupees and third is of 20 rupees. So you have to add 2000 plus 100 plus 20. So how much it becomes togetherly? 2120 means 2120 rupees. Now here each box in the tens represents the tens and each box in the ones represent ones. What is the sum of total tens and ones? Now calculate the tens. How many tens are here? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens matlab 10 tens means 100. So this is 100. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So add 14 ones in the 100. So you will get the answer 114. So the option B is the correct answer. Now, which one of the following option is the correct for the given figure? Now you have to check which is the correct answer. 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18. Sum of the all numbers is equal to 126. Is it correct? Now how many 18 are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 18 sevens are 126. Okay, if you know the table, you all can get the answer, or if you don't know the table, you can just do the calculation. 7 8 is 56, 6 at the bottom, 5 will be carried forwarded, 7 1 is 7 plus 5, 126. Now, the sum of number is 126. Is it correct? Yes. Sum of the numbers can be written as 18 multiplied by 7. Yes, we can write. So, both A and B is the answer? Yes. And sum of the number is 136? No, this is wrong. So, these two are the answer. So, answer C is the correct answer because both A and B is the correct answer. Okay, now this is all done. Okay, now the next topic is mental aptitude, which we will be taking in the next class. I hope you all understand the problems which are based on the logical thinking with the help of mathematics, where we have to do some calculations also along with the logical thinking. So subscribe to my channel, and till then, goodbye.